Hello friends, welcome to my channel Binary Master. Today in this video I am going to be sharing another most profitable binary trading non-repaint trend arrow MT4 indicator. This MT4 indicator can analyze market movements technically with higher accuracy. This indicator catches very fast and profitable price movement and gives you easy buy sell signals. This system easy to use, you can set up in only 10 minutes. If you use properly, this indicator gives you 99% accuracy. Today in this video, I will take live trade with my live account. We also provide signal on Telegram channel. Join our Telegram channel for copy my trades, and don't forget to subscribe my channel or press the bell icon. Okay, now let's start the trading. First we need opening the MT4 indicator. Let's see some previous signals. Here you can see all of signals are winning signals. Now I take some trade base on this indicator. Don't skip and watch the full video. Okay friends, here you can see our indicator give us a buy signal. Let's take the trade and wait for results. Our trade will be winning trade. Wait for another signal. Here we got a sell signal. Let's take the trade. Our trade will be a winning trade. Wait for another signals. Okay guys, here we got a buy signal. Let's place the trade and wait for result. our trade will be a winning trade. If you want this profitable indicator, contact us on Telegram. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and join free Telegram. See you on another video. Goodbye for today. Happy trading.